see it beyond your pride. This ain't hide and go seek. Why you still tryna hide?
You know I wanna ride, but you gotta teach me how. At times I get a little shy, cause I wanna make you proud. We don't need no strings attached, so put your feelings to the side and let's get down.
What's good, y'all? So a lot of you guys have been requesting that I do a slow-mo of how I do my cornrows, so I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. So what I do is I just take this section right here and I'm going to split it in threes. 1, 2, 3, okay? And what I'm going to do is take this finger, go under the middle strand and grab, right? When I'm grabbing this, I'm going to wrap this under and grab the other side. And as I'm grabbing the other side, I am picking up hair. So, picking up hair and repeat. Grabbing, put my finger under, picking up hair. Okay, grabbing, going under this middle piece, going to the outside to pick up hair. Okay, outside piece, take my middle finger, go under the middle piece to grab the outside piece, and I'm picking up hair. And then I just keep doing that as I go down. And that's it, y'all. So if you like this tutorial and you want to see more, comment down below. I hope my quick braiding tutorial helped you guys. If not, I'm completely sorry. That's exactly how I learned how to do my braids. So yeah, I hope that helps.